Hey guys, PJ to show you how to put together your new 2023 8-foot Tucktec folding kayak. Average assembly time is going to be about 2 to 5 minutes, but the first few times you do it, count on about 15 to 20 while you learn the process. Remember, putting a Tucktec kayak together is a lot less about strength and more about getting over the learning curve. So don't be afraid to pause the video, rewind, and rewatch parts that you might be having trouble with. We also strongly suggest working the folds in a little bit on your first few assemblies, as that's going to make future folding significantly easier for you. So let's start by setting it up. Remove your Velcro strap and your seat back, but set it to the side because you're going to need it in just a minute. Unclip your shoulder strap and fold the boat out flat. First thing you're going to want to do is unhook the side latches inside the boat, and then pick a side to start from. Make sure your Z-fold is in while the kayak's pointed out. Using the assist strap, hug the hull together, insert the lever into the slot, and then lock it into place. Next, you're going to want to start doing your internal levers, which you do by pulling towards you and locking those into place. Again, using the assist strap to pull together, insert into the slot, and lock into place. Finish up with your final internal levers. And the kayak's assembled. Now for the seat. Remove the foam from the bungees on the side and bring that down. Put your seat plate in and lock them into place with these birdies. Fold the seat down. Take your Velcro strap, fuzzy side down, and insert through the seat back. Strapping that right down into place, nice and secure. Take the strap that you used as a shoulder strap, insert it through the holes in the seat, and clip it to the other side. You can adjust that for comfort. We suggest leaving it lean forward just a little bit for extra support. Then take your adjustable footrest, set it to the size that you want it, and insert it into the kayak slots. Your boat is now ready for the water. To fold your kayak back up, you're just going to do all the same steps in reverse. Start by removing your footrest and setting that to the side. Unstrap your seat. Remove your seat back. And set these back to the side. Now, start by unlatching all of your latches. And set yourself back up a flat sheet. The bungee cords on the side here are to insert the foam under to make sure if it's windy out, it's not flopping around on you while you're putting it away. One additional step on this kayak is that you're going to want to lock these levers right back into place so that they're nice and flat where you're folding the boat down. Now, starting with the front of the boat, opposite of the skeg. Now, when you go to fold the kayak back up, remember that you're not rolling it up, you're folding it down. And down, press. Make sure you remove the straps. Make sure your seat is back behind the fold line. You're going to want to grab your Velcro strap, fuzzy side down, underneath the kayak, put your seat back on, simply cinch it all down. Reconnect your shoulder strap, and that's it, you're good to go.